Hello.
Go! Today on the podcast, we see if Brooks' engine starts.
Woo.
Let's play a game of how long can you look at the phone on the road. I'm scared. Bottom. Toilets. Oh, they're fishing off. What is she fishing off?
The brown trout fishing.
Fishing off the bridge. Oh yeah, bridging off the fish. What's that movie about that guy who goes to the island with those small people?
Small people?
Gulliver's Travels.
Oh, Gulliver's Travels.
Right, Gulliver's Travels. I swear he goes to an Ullarbor. I swear he goes to Ullarbor.
Don't know.
The little, where everyone lives, the little people. Very fitting, wouldn't it?
I don't know where I am. Find out. I've said that before and I just haven't found out. I'm really sorry. The current situation, because this morning was such a nightmare and our tent was so wet, we just packed it and we left. So now we're here and it's dry, a bit breezy, dry up the tent,
These days we have
no mosquitoes. Yeah, oh, it's lovely. It's a lovely evening. The view is incredible. I've got a few campers over here and a few over there as well. But yeah, I'll do a little time lapse of us putting the top on the tent as it's such an enjoyable evening. Smoked salmon, cheese, coleslaw, salad, hummus, grapes. We got some celery in there as well. It's beautiful. That is so good. Yeah, easy dinner. We've just stumbled across this dam on the way to a different lake. We're at Flodder Falls. It's one of Scotland's biggest waterfalls and it really is massive. I haven't seen anything quite like it. As you walk up, look at that.
Just don't cut
Olives. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah. Out for dinner. Haven't really vlogged much today. We went to another lake. Then we went to Flodder Falls. Very nice. And we're at a place called Little Italy in Inverness. Thought we'd treat ourselves to a little dinner.
Our food's brilliant.
Our food's really good. Went to Fort William earlier. I got some new shoes. They're very comfy. And we've just walked up the North Face route because we decided there's no point in climbing any further up the trail if it's just going to lead to the mountain when we're doing it tomorrow. Went off route a little bit and we found a lovely waterfall and it's got like loads of little pools. It's very much like the fairy pools but an undiscovered place. Okay, so there's Nevis there. Follow this down round, down here. Look at that. And no one is here. Not a single person. We went for a swim. Now we're walking down the river rather than the path. And it's beautiful. Some of it's quite hard to get down, but worth it. We got stuck. We couldn't walk anymore down the river. It led to a waterfall which was uncrossable. So we're on some bike trail. Trying to walk back down, but Dan thinks it's actually taking us back to the river, and it is getting quite boggy again. But I don't know why a bike trail would take us to a river. Today's the day we're doing Nevis. Dan's just getting a parking ticket, then we're going to be off. It's pretty cold today. I've got a coat in my back. I know I'm not going to need it though. But maybe when we get to the top, if it's a bit windy, I'll just put my coat on, put the hood up. Because this, it's got a hood, but it's a really snug hood, so I don't really want to put it up. I'll update you on the way. We are at the top of Ben Nevis. It took us 2.5 hours. Very good, hands are swollen. We have finished. We did it in 4 hours 40. We're done. Our feet hurt. It's a very hot day actually. We're gonna go to a shop, get some water. Then we're gonna move on. We're gonna go for a swim. Bye. We're at Glenty right now. Just went for a little swim, down to some jumping. Very tired. My body is tired. It doesn't know what to do. It's only 6 o'clock. And tomorrow I'm gonna do some climbing. Now the next day, we're back at the waterfall we were at yesterday. And they've got some good to climb. So we're gonna do some climbing. And then we're going to move on ASAP. I think we're going to head to the Lake District after here. I will let you know because I don't actually know. Have a climb, have a wash. And we'll see what's happening. We're at the top. Scaffold bike. Beautiful view. We made it up in 1 hour 33. I don't know.
Orange.
Got an orange. Got some Belvitas. This is our breakfast actually. We didn't eat before we came up today.
I had a bit.
Dan had, oh yeah, you had peanut butter sandwich.
And we had chicken.
Oh yeah, we had chicken actually.
And I had a pork pie.
And I had a coffee. On our way down now. Quite brief at the top. It's very cold today. There's quite a lot of fog, so we couldn't actually see anything from the top, unfortunately. But at least we had a good view to Nevis. That's what we were saying. We're glad we had a view for that, if any. So very good. And the main thing is we've done it. So yeah, on our way down now. He's laughing at me. He's laughing at me. So we're back in the car. We did it in 2 hours 50. Again, we nearly matched the time going up that we did coming down. We don't know how.
Which either means we come down slow or we go up fast.
Yeah. But pretty good. It's getting busy now.
So busy.
So busy. I mean, when did we start? Like 9? I thought it was before 9. I don't know.
Because we were at the top for a while. And I didn't include that in the time I paused at the top.
I think we left like just before 9. Because we got up at 6:30. Then we had to drive here, which was an hour and a half. Had to get fuel, then get changed and everything like that. But finished before lunchtime. So what a morning. Quite a nice walk. A lot of stairs, but quite an easy walk in comparison, I think.
No, I think the walk for Nevis was easier technically.
But I mean the whole walk.
But yeah, it was just the length of it.
Yeah. Yeah, it did definitely feel a lot shorter.
Yeah.
Like we kind of got to the top and then it was like, oh, they got a parking ticket and now their caravan's getting towed away. Did you see it? Did you see the wellies?
On the side.
Oh, I feel bad for them. That's awful. Yeah, there wasn't a lot of families actually, was there?
No, it was actually more groups.
Yeah. More younger people, I say, as well.
Yeah, definitely.
But definitely proven to be quite a popular climb. So 2 down, 1 to go on Tuesday. It's Sunday today. Hey vlog. We are... Where are we?
Don't know. Lake District.
Yeah, we're in the Lake District, but I can't remember where.
Nissan Mine.
Yeah, we're near a lower quarry. 5 hours sleep last night.
Because
Maybe
the people
less.
next to us were murderers.
Yeah, we slept with some psychos. And we were both really scared that they were going to kill us. But neither of us told each other that until today. Which is really weird, so they probably were quite strange. He said he had a lot of hammers in his car. And Dan had him say they could fit 6 bodies in his car. So we were a bit worried about that. It's 5 o'clock. Very nice evening though, really. It's not sunny, it's just very peaceful. It's very quiet. And now we're just sat still, just wanna sleep. We need to find somewhere to put the tent up because it needs to dry. We also can't really go and put the tent up without making dinner because we're gonna have to walk to put the tent up unless we leave the tent. A cute little village. It began with a C. Do you remember the village?
No.
We had it round, we got a meal deal because apparently we don't cook our own lunch anymore. So we went to Costa. We both got a Frostino. Got a mint chocolate chip one, Dan got a strawberry one, and I'm lactose intolerant, I think. Because I didn't eat any dairy for a while, and now when I have dairy it makes my tummy hurt. Hey yeah guys,